class from Bu Melinda class before on the first session before Meet. So I'm in charge to give the lecture for this class after Meet, but I will only have 4 course topics. So we will meet either online or through any other communication from the class using this media. I will have 4 topic for this class. So this is the list of the topics. For the first meeting today, I would like to give you some kind like presentation related to theory of regional development and new paradigm in development. And then the second meeting, we will discuss about new paradigm in rural development that have more orientation on human and local institution. Then the third meeting, we will discuss in specific about local economic development in rural and economic and regional development. And the last topic, it will be about development of local resource-based agribusiness areas. It is more specific on any case studies related to the regional development based on the agribusiness, either in coastal, forest, water resources, etc. So this meeting today, we are talking about theory of regional development. What and why regional development? Regional development is about the geography. So geography of well-being. Jadi it is about perwilayahan ya. Region. Geographic is the surface of the earth. Well-being of human. Kesejahteraan masyarakat yang tinggal di atasnya. And it's evolution. Evolution means the changes. The changes of well-being of that human who stay in that geographical area. So that regional development, meaning that developing the regions mean increasing the well-being of those people who lives in this geographical area. Regional development has central role in the discipline of regional economic, regional science, and theory of economic growth. This concept of regional development is not static. Means that when we talk about what are the theory during the last 100 years of regional development, there will be different compared to what is going on now. Now we have computer, we have digital information, we have big data. So regional development will use that in optimizing that data for designing the regional development. Long before, where we don't have that, it's different model of regional development. So regional development is not static. It depends on ideology. It can be also depend on the culture of the region, people who live in that region. The religions maybe is also influence the way of the government in designing the development process. So it's not static. It changes in space and time. You know about the spatial analysis using GPS, all on the computer, and regional development scientists will use that in designing what should be do in that region. How large the area for settlement, how large the area for forest, how large the area to be conserved for water and everything. That's the use of technology for regional development planning. So it changes. We don't know what will happen in the next 10, 20 years in advance. It is also multidisciplinary, multidimensional concept. Those who learns regional development not only learns about social and economic, he has to know about natural resources, he has to know about capital science, access, productive investment, culture, physical infrastructure, sectoral structure, everything. So it's those who learns regional development should understand the dynamic, the dynamic of all aspect, all science, economic, politics, technology, they are in one system of regional development science. Okay, that's about the regional development concept. So what are the main issues? What are the dominant issues when we talk about regional development? Whenever we talk about regional development, 100 years ago, 50 years ago, 20 years ago, or now on, we usually consider these two issues. First issue is about the prosperity. How can regional development build the prosperity, increase the prosperity of all people who live in that territory? So, regional development attacks or handle that issues, the prosperity, the welfare, kesejahteraan masyarakat yang di wilayah tersebut. And second, the second dominant issue in regional development is the difference between region and region or within the region itself. What are the difference of welfare? If it is too high between those, the elite, and those who work as a labor, if it is too high, that's not good in regional development. Regional development thinking how to overcome the difference, how to reduce the difference between the highest and the lowest. Okay, so two issues. One issue is about the prosperity, increase the prosperity, the welfare of the area. But the second is overcome the difference. Okay, there are two issues. How the regional development concept handle that two issues? There are two approaches of regional development concept to tackle that issues. For the first issues about the prosperity, how regional development may improve the prosperity of peoples, they will use the concept of allocative efficiency. It is more economic approach. How to optimize or maximize the output, the outcome, by using the available resources. In one geography, we have capital, we have human resource, we have natural resource in one territory. So how do we optimize that? How much the land, how much the capital, how much the human resources, and economic model, we try to find how to optimize all resources to produce maximum output, maximum outcomes, values. That's the theory, economic growth theory. What are the second issues? How the regional development handle the second issues? It is more through socio-political justice mechanism. It's about how the regional development deal with the lowest part of the community who doesn't have good advantage from the development. How to build the mechanism to make balance of economic development. So it will use the social political justice. So it means that the government perspective, the ideal or the ideology of government, how the government really concerned with the poor or the poorest of the people, not concern only the rich or the richest of the people. So that's more on socio-political perspective. Okay, the first more with the economic concept. The second more on perspective. How do the government deal with the justice, with the difference? Okay, to development.